In a small village nestled in the lush countryside, there lived a troubled young boy. He was plagued by the habit of overthinking old memories and ruminating over past mistakes. This vicious cycle of negative thoughts consumed him, leaving him unable to form good relationships or excel in any task. One day, a wise friend suggested he seek the counsel of a Zen master residing in a nearby Buddhist monastery. Desperate for a solution to his mental anguish, the boy set out to meet the master. Upon meeting him, the boy poured out his heart, explaining how his mind kept returning to the same bad memories, and he couldn't let go of the past. The Zen master listened patiently, then abruptly got up and disappeared into the monastery, leaving the boy confused and disheartened. After a while, the Zen master returned, carrying a clay glass filled with water. He asked the boy to estimate the weight of the glass, to which the boy replied that it was negligible. The Zen master then asked what would happen if he held the glass for a while, an hour, or even the whole day. The boy replied that his hand would begin to ache, become numb, and his muscles would tense up. The Zen master then posed the crucial question: did the weight of the glass change? When the boy answered in the negative, the Zen master said, "Exactly. Holding on to the troubles of the past is like holding this glass. Initially, it seems easy, but over time, it becomes a burden that causes pain and suffering." The Zen master explained that it's essential to learn from past mistakes, but dwelling on them for too long only leads to misery. He urged the boy to focus on his present actions and strive to be the person he wanted to be. The lesson learned, the boy left the monastery with a newfound perspective on life. This story teaches us that our past doesn't have to define us. We can let go of the pain and move forward, focusing on the present and future. As the great Buddha said, "The secret of health for both mind and body is not to mourn the past, worry about the future, or anticipate troubles, but to live in the present moment wisely and earnestly." Similarly, let go of the past and live our lives to the fullest.